So this is the new Buick motor, isn't it?
This is the new one, mate.
Found a Super 6 Rollmaster cam gear and chain. So sump off, timing case off, and there is a new one off the other engine there, and a sump probably still out the back. All that goes on here, and then stick it in the car. So what are you doing now, Luke?
Just fucking welding me little thing to me flex plate to me flywheel.
For the second time, just to make sure.
Yeah. Cranking this motherfucker up.
Yeah, a bit of heat never hurt anyone, right?
Safety squint going on.
Gases for the win.
Right, today we're going to show you how to machine your own fucking flywheel using a drill press and so much stupidity.
Have we made incision yet?
Oh yeah.
Actually doesn't look too bad as far as the location is concerned. It's cutting well. So I managed to get the drill bit to actually cut. Step 1 was something to lubricate the situation with, and step 2 was a bench grinder. Working hard, mate?
Oh mate, these days the machine does all the work. It's fantastic.
Amazing.
The Castrol outboard oil from the 80s.
That'll lube it nicely.
Punch in the coordinates on the CNC. Machine us out a new 6-bolt flywheel from an 8-bolt.
Alright, so we got the new, what is this, series something that wasn't in the car already?
Series not what was in there.
3.8 with a multi-stud flywheel. Custom install, that one. Looks
super custom.
A little bit cleaner on the inside. The gasket's probably salvageable, and there's like one little piece missing there. So it's good enough. Did you clean it?
Fuck no.
Does it have 2 dipsticks?
Yes it does.
One there for when you're on the hill and one here for when you're in the driveway. Perfect. Do you actually have this dipstick, or is it just missing?
No, it's just missing.
Okay, good. So this is now a crank breather. Perfect.
Correct.
And most of a gasket. Looks good. Alright. Install now. Do it. Go. The installation has begun, and we realise that we should probably video it. So, clutch is on. Torque to spec with the rattle gun, and we're just going to see if we can squeeze it down in the hole. But I need to angle it a little bit, so I'm riding the engine crane because nothing else is stiff enough. Righto, so that'll be it for the night. We started at about 6, it's probably about 10 now. So motor's in, headers are on, intake's on, power steering's on. Just got to cut up a water pipe to fit in here, and then the alternator can go on. Just like that. Fuel lines are like crap, just got to play with this bird's nest and put a belt on it. I can send it, what do you reckon? Shouldn't take more than a couple of days. So how's your radiator looking there, Luke?
Still shaking out rust.
Yeah, but it's alloy. How's it got rust in it?
Fucking iron block, mate.
Couple too many mangs, you reckon?
Iron block.
Sounds alright, yeah? Righto, mate, what are we doing?
So we're just going to put this big bitch in low range 2-wheel drive, just to see what happens when we drive it. So first gear, we've got 3.9 to 1. First transfer case, low, we got 2.28 to 1. Second transfer case, boom, we got 4.7 to 1. Low range. See what it does.
And then the diff ratio?
I think they're 433s.
So for anyone playing at home, correct us on our maths, but I think that's 51,500 Newton meters. Let's see what happens.
At the hub.
At the hubs. Very surprised if that wasn't clutch.
Cool.
Disconnect shackles, top out shock absorbers, then disconnect them too. Don't forget the Telstra rope.
Yeah, tripled over though, tripled over.
It's got to hold at least 2 ton, I reckon.
Quadrupled over.
Far
Single
out.
line pull, 600 newtons that shit's rated for.
I wish I knew what newtons meant.
Check out my new lift kit. Got it from King's 4-Drive Super Centre.
Pretty good, Mark. The car dropped a coil and then we tried to put it in and then it rolled.
There you go. Oh,